What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today this is the look that I created for you guys. Very simple, a few shades. I love when we can just play with just a few colors and just get a fast look, but make it still look so kind of like intricate and everything. But it'll only take you like not too long to create this eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. What's up? So I like doing like one eye off the camera. I hope you guys like it too. So let me know in the comment section down below, or if you want to see me doing both eyes. I always like to see like if I'm in a creative funk, or like if I want to see what one eye looks like first before I go ahead and do the other one. But just let me know, because if anything, I can do both eyes on camera and everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the other eye. Okay, so I'm going in today with the Dose of Colors Vacation palette. This is with Desi times Katie, and I'm taking a Morphe M505 brush. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Necessary. Yeah, Necessary. And we're just gonna apply that on our brush. And for this shadow, like for this, when you apply it, go ahead and kind of tilt your head back, because we wanna see where that kind of crease, where that socket is, and we're gonna place that shadow right in here. And try to round it out as well. So we'll start from over here, start blending it, and then you just want to round it out to that inner corner right here, and you can do tapping motions as well. So it's Friday night. Do you guys have any plans? Let me know. I don't have any plans. So I'm such a homebody, like I'm like so boring, but I'm such a homebody. So I usually just stay at home and chill. Also tomorrow's Saturday, and I heard that Jeffree Star is coming to the Sacramento Mall at the Morphe, because we have a Morphe store in Sacramento. So I really want to go and stuff, but I just know it's gonna be so crazy, like packed with people there and stuff. So I'm like, how early should I get there? Like, how early would you get there to go see Jeffree Star? Because honestly, it's like 2 hours, but is 2 hours enough? Like, he's supposed to be there like 12. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys would do. Get that nice transition shade in our crease. So next I'm picking up my Morphe M514 brush, and I am gonna take Churro, and these are all really pretty brown tones. Once again, I'm lifting my head up, and we're gonna start placing that shadow right in the socket, right here in the crease. The best way to apply pigment as well is you can always do tapping motions on your eyelid if you feel like you're not getting enough pigment, or you want to put it in a certain area. This palette is so bomb. They should still be in stock, so I'll go ahead and link it down below from Dose of Colors. If not, I'll link down the Soft Glam palette from ABH, because I feel like that's kind of similar. Although, I mean, obviously some of these shades are not going to be in there, but like the brown tones and everything, I'm definitely sure you can create the same look. Okay, time for the lid color. The first shade I did go into, I used a different palette called the Ace Butte Grand Doise palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and it comes with these shades, and I'm gonna go in with these. I'm gonna go in with this like buttery shade right here. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of this because I ended up changing to another color that's in the Friendcation palette, but I wanted to go in with the same one that I went before. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing this in tapping motions and pretty much start out kind of how you do a cut crease in this inner corner bit right here, and just take your time. So what type of videos do y'all want to see from me? Would you be interested in vlogs? Would you be interested in more colorful eyeshadow looks? I do like doing a lot of neutrals, so let me know. I can do cool tones, I can switch it up. So just let me know. If you're struggling with something, say like doing a cut crease, I can do a more in-depth video up close, and we can definitely do that together. So let me know. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in my Friendcation palette. I'm gonna go with this top shade. This is called Basic. So taking that same brush, and I'm actually using the BH Cosmetics marble brush in number 10, and going in with Basic, and I'm just gonna tap this on. Okay, now I'm taking, going back in with my M514 brush from Morphe and taking Churro, and I'm gonna start blending those shades together. And kind of fix up if I went too high with that lighter shade. Going back in with the flat brush. Okay, going in with a smaller detailed brush. I think I bought this in a collection, so it doesn't have a number on it, but it looks like this. Really small, teeny tiny brush, and I'm picking up Churro, and that way we can define it just a little bit more around that lighter shade. Okay, next I'm taking my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil, and this shade is Hot Chocolate. It's a really pretty brown shade. And we're just gonna line the upper lid. I feel like this is my worst eye to do like liner and stuff, because I feel like my skin feels more loose on that side. I don't know. It just feels different than the other one. Because sometimes I feel like I just need to do this. Like, who else does that? Who else stretches their skin? Which is bad, but yeah, I feel like I have to do that. Okay, so I had already before like doing my eyes and everything, I had already went in with moisturizer and primer. I went in with my Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask as a moisturizer, and then I put my Tatcha Silk Canvas primer on this area where the pores are, and on my smile lines, because I have really bad smile lines. So so put some on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do foundation. I'm gonna use NARS today, the Sheer Glow foundation in medium 4, which is Barcelona. And I'm gonna pump this on the back of my hand. And then we're gonna apply this onto the skin. Okay, I'm taking my Jeffree Star times Morphe sponge. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. Okay, taking my mini sponge, because there's 3 of them, so I'm using the last one. And I'm just gonna set underneath my eyes. Real quick, I'm gonna finish underneath the eyes. I'm taking my M514 brush, and anything that I have left over in the brush, I'm just gonna run it. And we're gonna connect it to this outer portion right here. Okay, and for my bottom waterline, I'm taking the Rimmel in the nude liner, and I'm gonna run that. And I'm gonna use my favorite NARS Climax mascara. And we're gonna put a whole bunch of mascara on our lashes. So this is the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm using excuse me, BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. And we're gonna warm up our skin. Okay, and now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the ABH and Omrezi highlighter. And I'm taking a Morphe Y14 brush. And we're gonna apply this to the skin. You got the tip of the nose. I like to put it right here for some reason. I don't know why. And right here, above the brows. Do like a C shape. Time for lips. I'm gonna go in with my favorite Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine. So I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna go with I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade, in the color, or in the, oh my gosh, the name is Sweet Tooth, and this is a nude. And this stuff smells so good. I haven't used it in forever. So easy to apply. It smells so good. I can just smell it on my lips. So today's setting mist I'm using is from Morphe, and I feel like almost in every video when I use this, it smells so good. And I think it's like 15 or 16 bucks. So definitely, if you have a Morphe store or an Ulta, they sell it at Ulta, I would definitely pick this spray up. So let's mist our face. And this is what the makeup looks like. If you also want to, you can add some lashes, but I just wanted to keep it simple and just wanted to put some mascara on, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It'll help me out a whole bunch. And I would love to have more subscribers. Let's have fun with makeup and beauty and vlogs and all that good stuff. I'll go ahead and leave my Instagram handle down below. So if you like what you see here, I'm sure you'll like what you see on Instagram and everything. So don't forget to follow me and everything. So yeah. So I'm excited to keep on creating some more content for you guys. So I will see you on the next video, because I'm gonna get started on doing some more videos for you. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.